Holy moly! You're really gonna... Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, first time! Absolutely huge! The trick is to keep blinking until you get curtains in your eyes like that. Absolutely huge! I've got mud in my eyes! Just keep it pinned.
Yo, what is good guys? Welcome back to another video. I just want to touch on a few things real quick. Basically, went to Thredbo and it was pissing down rain and I had no chain because my derailleur was bent. So I was sending it down, no chain, heaps muddy, it was heaps of fun. Have a look at this full pool of this run at Thredbo. It was absolutely insane. I also wanted to say, thank you so much. Oh my god, I was having to suss at our channel, and literally we just hit 300 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for all the love, all the support, all the shares, all the likes, the comments, everything. Just appreciate it so much. It's it's like it's getting me excited just thinking about it. It's just insane. We love you guys. Keep supporting the channel. If you guys enjoy, share the videos. As you guys are doing, just basically spread that love, for the new upcoming pamilya, Salamat po, Ingat kayo, and enjoy the video. Yeeewww!
Let's get GoPro turned on. Absolutely huge. Alright, so right now it's raining. We're going in the mud. We've still got no chain. Make sure this is a good part to relax your fingers. You don't want to send it too much on these ones because there's a bit of a turn. On your right. Absolutely huge. I've got mud in my eyes. Get it! Turn, you bastard! Oh, we got no change. Oh, it's just spitting up water and mud in your eyes. See if we can keep up with the boys. Still got no chain, remember. Third run in. And it is super sloshy in this forest. Holy speed! You're really gonna... Oh! Whoa! Whoa! It's so muddy! So after this it's sort of a bit less mud. I better not this time. So I've lost the speed. Oh, gotta catch up to the boys. Straight over these rocks. My ass is soaked with mud. Make sure you pump these as well as you can. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. And I've got no chain. The mud's just making it even tackier. Come on, we're rolling in with no chain. Come on, mate. Yeah, there it is. We've made it. Woo! Gotta pick the speed up. Woo! Over this jump. Mud in your mouth. Take this inside line. Oh, in the eyes! Oh shit! Wow! The mud in the eyes is not fun. I guess that's the experience. I can feel crusty dirt in my mouth. Hopefully my phone's not broken from all this rain and water. Right in the mouth. keep it pinned. Oh shit! We've come off the berm, got a mouthful of dirt. Oh my god, so holy shit! That's insane! Oh, my mouth got dirt! Yum! I hope the GoPro got that. Went a bit too high on that berm. Oh, mate! This is fucking insane! Just keep it loose. My ass is wet. Oh, mate, this is insane. Come on, chain. Woo! Oh, mate, come on, relax the fingers. Gotta get back in the mojo. Yep, it's right in the eye. Oh, mate, it's just, snot, dirt, saliva, just mud. My tyres are just caked. My arsehole's wet. This might be the last ride. Jokes, it's never the last ride. Relax the fingers on this part. There's no excuse for Aaron Gwynn. There's no excuse for me. It's a bit hard to see, I'm not gonna lie. I think this is where they turn off. Hopefully I don't scratch your lens.
I'm not going to go to the water. You've got to go there, up there.
So I'm following the boy Jerry. See there? Don't think he's still got no chain. Absolutely huge. That big fucking shit. Relaxing the fingers a little. Sort of catching away on those pedally bits that I can't pedal. It's still raining. Oh, hear the mush. Oh no, this is the pedally bit. Yeah, I got no speed for this rock drop. Oh well. Jerry's sort of gotten away on me now, just because I've got no pedals. The mud action is absolutely terrible. I'm squinting. Oh my goodness, can't see shit. Come on, got no chain. Wait. There you go, back on the pedals. It's a bit harder to roll as well, because you got no chain. Just gonna try and pump those. You can still send it off that flat drop, so I can't. You nail it through here. Hope my phone's not broken. Don't break through this bit. To keep blinking until you get dirt in your eyes like that. There's a real jump here. Holy moly! You guys probably can't see anything on the GoPro. I need like a window wiper. Just keep it rolling. Just keep it pumping. Can't do shit, but you can just see the track. That's all you need to see. Oh, you guys pulling off? Continue. Absolutely insane pinning it through that. Sick. See you, man. Get it. Let's get it. Hold up. Gonna build up that speed. Me and my boy hitting that cannonball in the rain, in the mud. No chain. Gonna keep your speed. Woo! Over those doubles. Holy moly. Absolutely huge. Oh, didn't make that one. Come on, tires. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Rock boulder. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Woo!
I can't see a thing.
Do it. Let's get it, Jerry. Nice. This proves you don't need a chain when you're over here at Thredbo. Oh my god, first time! Absolutely huge! I don't know, I can't believe I just hit that. We'll just hit these slowly. Just land in the middle, just to make sure. My grip would be getting a bit weak. Finish it off. Let's finish this shit off. Let's get it! So I'm following one of the little shredders. It's cut in. Oh mate, absolutely muddy. Woo! Let's get it! Let's get it, boys, roll it out. Yep. Nice. I found the small one just because it's just that absolute mud.
Trap never close. Tell the bitch I'm on foe. Tell the bitch I'm on foe. Tell the bitch I'm on foe. Hop on the Porsche's Carrera.
Oh my god!